The materials that you're going to need for this project are going to be a 5mm hook, your yarn. You're going to want a color for your sole and the color for the top part, needle to weave in your ends, and a pair of scissors. To begin, you're going to take your yarn and make a slip knot. Insert your hook into the slip knot. The color yarn that you're going to be using is the color that you're going to make the sole. So make your slip knot. Then you're going to chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you're going to put 3 single crochets into the second chain from your hook. 1, 2, and 3. Now put 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now this last chain you are going to put 8 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now just pull your tail tight to close in that hole. Now you're going to make 3 single crochets, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 2 and 3. Now you're going to put 3 single crochets into the last stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Here's what it should look like. Slip stitch into your first stitch. Chain 1. Put 2 single crochets into that stitch you slip stitched into. Put 2 single crochets into the next stitch. And then 2 single crochets into the next stitch. For the next 3 stitches, you're going to put 1 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Then for the next 8 stitches, you're going to put 2 half double stitches into it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Switch back to single crochet. You're going to put 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2 and 3. And for the last 3 stitches, you're going to put 2 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. This is your slip stitch, and then this is your chain 1. So you're going to slip stitch into the back loop only of your first stitch. So here's the front loop, and here's the back loop. Slip stitch into the back loop only, chain 2. Then you're going to put 1 half double crochet into the back loop only of each stitch. Continue to do that all the way around till you get back to the beginning. At the end of your row, slip stitch into your first stitch, and then cut and tie off your yarn. That row should look like this. You should have like just one little loop here, but then there should be 2 sort of looking braided-ish up here. We are going to go to the first stitch that looks like that. Insert our hook. Take our yarn again. Make a slip knot. Insert onto the hook. Pull through. Then we are going to chain 1. And we are going to half double crochet 2 stitches together. To do that, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch that you just went into, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, put into your next stitch, yarn over and pull through, then yarn over and pull through all of the loops. Again, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over and pull through all of the loops. We are going to continue to do decrease stitches all the way around till we get to the end of the braided looking stitch, and you should have a total of 8 decrease stitches. Here's what it should look like. Now we are going to chain 1, then we're going to half double crochet all of these 8 stitches together. So yarn over, insert into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert into the next, yarn over, pull through. Repeat this all the way down till you have all 8 stitches on your hook, like so. And you're going to yarn over and pull through all of the loops. It's easier to do them a few at a time. Then you are going to yarn over and pull through like that. Then you are going to cut and tie off your yarn, just like that. So now you have this. From here we are going to take our other color make a slip knot, and then we are going to insert into, this is the middle stitch right here, so we're going to insert not this one, we're going to insert in this one. Pull a slip knot through, chain 2, and then we're going to put 1 half double crochet into the stitch we entered on, and then we're going to do a decrease stitch. We're going to decrease 3 stitches together. So we're going to do this stitch right here, that's 1, the middle stitch, that's 2, and then this stitch right here, that is 3, and then yarn over and pull through all of your loops. Continue to single crochet down till you get to the last stitch before your toe part. Now when you get to the stitch before the toe part, you're going to half double crochet 3 stitches together. So you're going to yarn over, insert into the stitch, then yarn over. You're going to insert into the stitch that the toe is on, and then you're going to insert into the first row that's on the shoe, and then pull through all of your loops. Put a half double crochet into each row on the toe part. When you get to the last row, you are going to do the half double crochet 3 together. So insert into the last row, then insert into the stitch that the shoe ends on, and then insert into this stitch, and then pull through all of your loops and continue to half double crochet till you get to the end. Slip stitch into your first stitch, chain 2, then you're going to half double crochet all the way until you get to the middle 3 stitches, so 1, 2, and 3. We will be crocheting these middle 3 stitches together, so insert into the first of the 3 stitches, then into the middle stitch, and then insert into the last of the 3 stitches. Now yarn over and pull through all of your loops, and then continue to half double crochet until you reach the end or back to the beginning. Slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 2, put a half double crochet into the first 7 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Decrease the next 2 stitches, so insert your hook, then insert into the next, and pull through all of the loops, half double crochet 4 stitches, two, three, and 4. Sorry, 5 stitches. 5. Okay. And now decrease the next 2 stitches. Then continue to half double crochet till you get to the beginning. Slip stitch into your first stitch, and then you are going to cut and tie off your yarn. And that's going to do it. If you have any questions, comments, anything, just leave them in the comment section below. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.